Are you looking for your mobile phone to be repaired? In this video I show us fixing a Samsung S21. As you saw in the first image, the user taped the back on and their button stopped working. I removed the rear cover of the Samsung S21, replaced the button board, and fixed the buttons. If you are looking for someone to help you with your mobile device repairs, please call me at 714-883-3016.
Job's done.
I also have additional information in the description of this video if you would like to learn more.